Mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa wa amogetse gore go tlhamiwa ga kgotla e ka ga tiriso dikgoka ya bong go diegile mme le fa go ntse jalo a re molao kakangwa o ga jaana o kwa palamenteng. Kgwedi e fetileng tona kwa kantorong ya Mopresidente mo mererong ya basadi, bana le batho ba ba nang le bogole yo gape leng monnasetulo wa komiti ya ditona e malebana le tiriso dikgoka ya bong Maite Nkoana Mashabane o phasaladitse molao kakangwa o ikaeletsweng go itlhaganedisa morero wa go samagana le tiriso dikgoka ya bong mo nageng.
The bill that will pave the way for the establishment of the Gender-Based Violence Femicide Council is currently before Parliament. Now, you may ask why, as you did ask, why has it taken so long to have this council established? Just for you to know, I have been personally following this matter up and asking why is it taking so long. Professor Shisana can testify to this. Now, the problem is that, yes, government tends to move slowly. Now, some of you said you moved very quickly during the COVID pandemic. Yes, indeed we did. And we were armed by a legislation. The Disaster Management Act was able to arm us through the leadership of the Minister of Kgwedi. We were able, through the law, to set aside a number of considerations because we had a law that enabled us to do so.
On the gender-based violence and femicide bill, it has been tabled in Parliament. Parliament will give us a date when the bill will be completed. Then we will develop regulations, and we once again want to say in front of our President and all South Africans here, within 3 months, within this financial year, we can relaunch